What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com. This is where we keep crypto simple. Today, another exciting video. Mysterious Bitcoin pattern forming again? If you guys are new here, join the movement, hit that subscribe button right now. And everybody, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you. It's great to see you. We have a powerful video for you today. First and foremost, we got to start the top rated crypto classes in the whole industry. Perfect 5-star rating from 243 students. I'm going to summarize a quick review from Alex. Alex was a lot like you. Alex was sitting there wondering, is this the right time to stake Steve's classes? It's a bear market. Alex was losing a ton of money. It didn't have the cash to pay for the classes. So Alex bit the bullet, signed up for the classes with what's left of his crypto portfolio. And boy, was that a great decision, because Alex, in the first 2 trades after completing the classes, made $3,000 profit. Alex, keep up the great work. Keep making those winning trades, removing emotion, and focusing on that strategy. To sign up to the classes that Alex took, and almost all of my students sign up to this most popular combo class. If you've been in crypto around 1 year, you're going to sign up to this combo class. It's the first link right down in the description. It's the intermediate, advanced, and pro. And right now, save $100 with this combo class. I'll link it for you right here as well. If you've been in crypto just a few months, you're going to sign up to this combo class. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you right here as well, and save $150 right now with that combo class. Today is the day you make that big change. Now, let's get to this powerful video. It's going to be a mini class. It's going to be something that you can take with you and use it in every single crypto and stocks, bonds, ETF, anything with a chart. I'm going to explain to you how to break it down in a simple way. But first, we have to talk about Bitcoin has been pretty boring, right? Bitcoin has hung out around this price of 6,004, 6,005. It feels like forever. In fact, we'll take a measured move here. It's been 48 days. This mysterious pattern has formed before several times. But if we zoom out here, we haven't had this pattern form in the last year. In fact, in the last year and a half, we haven't had this period of consolidation that we're seeing today. All right, so I'm going to show you 4 simple steps that you can take with you. It's going to be so powerful. I can't wait for you guys to see this class. To all my students, follow along. You guys have free access to Coinergy in every chart that I make. So this one's called CCU YouTube, October 24th. Sign on to Coinergy, open this up as I'm doing this video so you can really enhance your learning. I want you guys to take a mental screenshot of this price action. It's going to come in really handy when we go through this lesson today. Take a look at the price action. Take a look at the volume. Take a mental picture. And then we're going to get into this first chart here. Okay, so this first chart here started on 6/6 of 2013. We had this really mysterious chart formation that was pretty boring, and it follows the same 4 steps. Get ready to write these down. Step number 1, find the big red bottoming candle. Step number 2, draw your trend line from the top of this body of the red candle. Step number 3, wait until we have support on top of this level. Step number 4, not only do you want support, but you want increasing volume, preferably green volume, and that means a big move is coming. Look at this ridiculous move that came after. We'll take a quick measured move, and then we'll break down how this really works, these 4 steps. So, wow, this is almost ridiculous. This was 875% move, okay? So you're going to see this chart formation play out many, many times, and it always plays out the same. All right. You're going to take this big red bottoming candle, step number one. Step number two is you're going to draw your trend line. Simply put, draw your trend line. And what you want to see is this line is extreme resistance for an extended period of time and then becomes support, right? We're on top of this line. We'll hold it as support and then pay attention to the volume. Notice how we held support here, but the volume was decreasing. We had decreasing volume for a while here until we had this big red candle which pierced through, but the body of the candle stayed on top. Remember, the body of the candles are very important. The wicks tell a story, but the body is very important. And then look, increasing volume, green candles. All right. So those are our 4 steps. We are going to look at a few other chart formations, follow these 4 steps, and then we're going to take it and apply it to what is happening today in today's chart. And it's going to blow your mind, guys. Wait until I show you the second example. Also, at the end of this video, towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you a couple announcements. One of them is how you can win $100 of Bitcoin from me. Something that I want to do to give back to the community, something to go over the top to really show my appreciation to everybody. So more on that and a couple other big announcements coming towards the end of the video. So let's get into the second chart. Remember our 4 rules. This one started with our candle on 4/13 back in 2015. So this one acted just the same, but I need to show you something that's really going to blow your mind. So step number 1, find your big red bottoming candle. Oftentimes your bottoming candle, take your trend line from the top of that candle all the way through. Step number 2, draw that trend line. Step number 3, wait until we have support on top of that line with increasing volume. It means a big move up is coming. So what we want to see here, look at this support and resistance. We tried to break above with these candles. We couldn't quite hold support. We tried to hold support specifically with this one candle. Didn't quite work. We broke down and we held resistance, and then we battled through with this candle here, holding support. Look how we came right down, held support. Our volume went from really low and started increasing. We knew a big move up was coming. However, remember in our previous example, we had green volume, big move to the upside. This one was mixed volume. However, we did increase our volume, but it was mixed, which told us we have a move coming, but it's not going to last long. So if we zoom out here, this move wasn't very long. It ended up falling apart pretty quickly. And then where did we come up to? Watch how impressive this is. Remember our previous level of resistance? Well, guess what? When we broke down, we actually broke down right below this level, the same level. I drew out this pink line here. We held exact resistance again after we broke down, and watch what happened. We broke down, we held resistance, we tried to break through, we couldn't break through. We came up here and we finally broke through, and guess what? We had increasing green volume, big move to the upside. It was pretty spectacular move to the upside, really drastic. All these green candles in a row. You can see our volume pick up here. And again, we followed our 4 simple rules that you'll be able to use for all crypto, for everything with a chart. This is very powerful stuff I'm giving you today. Now, we're going to take a look at a couple other formations, see if our 4 rules play out, and then we're going to look at what today's chart is telling us. Because again, we want to understand how long these moves are lasting. If we just take a measured move here, remember we are at 48 days of this kind of boring price action. Well, this one was 72 days. And the one before it, let's take a zoom out here for a second. The one before this was 123 days, right? We're at 48 days. So let's take a look at a couple more charts. But before we get to that, a quick summary of review from Kay, who took the crypto classes. Before the classes was struggling, making some bad decisions, losing some money, took the classes and made a quick $4,000 profit, way more than the cost of the classes. Okay, keep up the great work. Keep focusing on that strategy, removing emotions, and we appreciate your review. If you want to be signing up to the classes, guys, don't hesitate. Make that big decision, bite the bullet, and here's how you sign up. You're going to sign up to this combo class if you've been in crypto around 1 year. It's the intermediate, advanced, and pro. It'll be the first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you right here as well. Save $100 right now with this combo class. If you've been in crypto just a few months, you're going to sign up to this combo class. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you right here as well, right inside the video. Save $150 right now. It is time to stop losing your hard-earned money. Today is the day you make that change. Let's get into these other two chart formations here. Okay, this one is starting a little more recently. It is in January of 2016. You can see our 4 rules. And rule number 1, find our big red bottoming candle. Draw a trend line from the top of the body of that candle. It holds extreme resistance. Look at this extreme resistance here. If we zoom in, look at that resistance. Then we finally held support. Look at that beautiful support we held right on this. And we just watched like a hawk, waiting for increasing volume. Notice how we started. On our trend line, we had decreasing volume. Our volume picked up. We saw green candles come in. We were licking our chops, and we had a huge move to the upside again, right? Huge move to the upside, really quick and dramatic. But again, we saw it coming. This is something, again, that you can take with you as a tool to really elevate your game, okay? So let's take a look at the next example here. Next example, a little more recent, from August of 2016. Take a look here. Number 1, big red bottoming candle. Number 2, draw a trend line from the top of the body. Notice this extreme resistance. It held us down, it held us down, it held us down. We finally broke through. Our volume was still pretty low, but we watched like a hawk to see if we can confirm as support, step number 3, and increasing volume, preferably green volume, and that's exactly what we got. We had a move to the upside, actually a continued move for quite some time to the upside after this took place. Let's take a quick measured move here to see what kind of time period we are dealing with. 81 days. Okay, 81 days. Remember, we're at 48 days. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be exactly 81, but it's something to keep in mind that these things take potentially some time to weed themselves out. Now, let's take these 4 steps, apply it to what's happening today, and then we'll get into those announcements of how you can win $100 of Bitcoin from me, as well as some other powerful announcements for our incredible community here. Here we go. Today's chart. What we want to do first. My apologies. Our microphone fell over. We've got it back up and running, guys. So what we want to do first is take a look at our big red bottoming candle. Big red bottoming candle is here. What we want to do is take our trend line, draw from the top of the body of that candle, and draw it across. What we want to look for is support and resistance. All right, so if we zoom in here, we'll just take this and bring it up just a little bit so we're right on top. What we want to look for here is we held extreme resistance, okay? We tried with this candle to get above. We did get above here. We tried to hold it. We just couldn't hold above. We tried this one candle was the only one we were really above, and we just couldn't hold it. We broke down, and now we're resistance. So we're at step 2, right? Step 1, this candle. Step 2, trend line. Step 3, we haven't quite gotten. We want to hold support on this trend line. We want support on this trend line, but not only support, we want to see increasing volume. You can see our volume is still decreasing. Look at our volume still decreasing. We had our little hiccup here, but it didn't reverse the trend. We're still going down with volume. So what we want to see hold support. Big step to hold support right at the level of about 6,500. Right at 6,500, hold support with increasing volume. Remember, if we have increasing volume, but it's mixed volume like we had here, we're going to know that that move isn't going to last long. So if we do get above this trend line after battling, but our volume is mixed, we know that more than likely we'll probably be stomped out at this bar here, which is a very critical bar, the 7,249. So if you see mixed signals here, it's likely that we'll get stomped out here. If we are to see volume pick up, and it is green volume, and we are holding support, buckle up. That's when you know a bigger move is underway. Another scenario is if we continue just to get rejected by this 6,500 and we can't battle above it, then we're going to have our move to the downside. So you want to pay close attention to this level. That's the critical one. And the second most critical level, which is really going to tell a tale, is if we're going to get above this candle here. All right, so that's how it's shaking out. I know that right now you're saying, wow, this is so simple. And these steps that I gave you guys, crypto can be really complex. It can be really stressful, really emotional, and oftentimes losing money because it's so overwhelming. But if you make crypto simple, this becomes a game that's fun to play. You want to play it, and you want to win, and you will win. And my specialty is making crypto simple. That's what I do. That's what I'm known for. That's what I live for. So I know that this was a powerful lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's get to these special announcements of how you can win $100 of Bitcoin. What I want to share with you guys is something that I've said to you many times. My mission in life, what wakes me up in the morning, what gets me so pumped and amped, is change as many lives in crypto as I can. That's the thing that really drives me. I want to take that and really simplify, because what I always do, we always want to simplify everything. And I'm going to simplify it down into 2 words, and that's going to drive every video we do in the future and everything I do in the future. It's change lives. What I want to hear from you is, while watching my YouTube videos over the past couple weeks, couple months, however long you've been watching, how has your life changed? Write that in the comments right now. I'm going to pick a comment and read it on the next YouTube video. And I want this to something that inspires everybody around you. So your comment, other people are going to read and be inspired. So maybe your comment is, look, Steve, you've helped me remove my emotion. Steve, you've helped me see charts in a different light. Now I look at crypto in a different lens. I'm not so focused on what's going to happen in crypto later today and tomorrow. I'm looking at that bigger picture. Or maybe I've helped you and your family, or maybe the classes more than likely helped you in a significant way. Even if it's just the videos, if it's the classes, I want to know how you have had changed life, #changed lives happen. So every YouTube video I do from here on out is going to have that focus. Everything I do, everything I share with you, every chart is going to have that focus of changing your lives. And that's going to be a powerful thing that together we are driving forward. Okay, now the big announcement, how you can win $100 of Bitcoin. This is something I want to do to give back. I think it's very important in life to give back. So I try to do that as much as I can. That's why I do these YouTube videos with such powerful information, is to give back. Now, how can you win $100 of Bitcoin? Really simple. I want to start doing this starting today. Anybody that signs up to the combo classes starting today and for the next week will get your name in a hat. I'll pull a name out, and if you guys are comfortable, I would love to have your picture, and we'll show you guys on YouTube that you won the $100. And I want to do this every week, something I want to do specifically for the combo classes to give back. If you're saying, Steve, hold on, I've been a student for a long time, I have an idea for you guys as well. I want to do something for graduate students that have gone through my whole program and graduated, and I want to do something special for you guys. Still working out the details, more to come on that. But expect that I'm focused much more. As you know, I've already been focused highly on changing lives and giving back, but that's going to be something that as we go forward in the future that I'm going to stay incredibly focused on. All right, so another announcement, really exciting, is tomorrow. Tomorrow, we are launching our bonus class. It's going to be about Tether. Is Tether safe? What should you have money in Tether? If Tether's not safe, what other crypto, what other stablecoin should you have money in? As well as that, I sent out an email to all of my students to get feedback for their favorite coins, and we're going to cover 4 coins in this bonus video. So not only Tether, we're going to cover ETH, XRP, XLM, BAT, all in this bonus video. It's going to be so powerful. I'm super excited to launch it for you tomorrow. So to sign up, to have a chance to win the $100, to sign up to get the bonus video, you're going to sign up to this combo class if you've been in crypto 1 year. It'll be the very first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you right here as well. Right now, save $100 with this combo class. If you've been in crypto just a few months, you're going to sign up to this combo class. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you right here as well. Save $150 with this combo class right now. Today is the day you make that big change. I look forward to welcoming you in, and look forward to launching the bonus class tomorrow. And we should announce the winner, the first winner of our $100 giveaway, a week from today. So if you guys are new here, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Look at the subscribe button right now. It should be right over here. Look down right now on your computer or your phone. Is that subscribe button red? Hit that. If it's red, that means you're not subscribed yet. You probably thought, wow, I thought I was subscribed to Crypto Crew University. No, hit that red button, subscribe right now. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Peace and love, everybody around the world. Special shout out to everybody in USA, my home country. Everybody in the UK, shout out to you guys in Australia. Everybody in the Netherlands, everybody in Germany, in India, in South Africa, everybody around the world. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We'll see you right back here for the next video. Peace and love to the Crypto Crew.